What's the meaning of cartridge? Cartridge. Cartridge.
Cartridge. Cartridge. A cartridge is a small, self-contained unit that holds materials for a specific purpose. The term cartridge is commonly used to refer to containers for ammunition, but it can also apply to containers for ink in printers, toner in photocopiers, or even video game cartridges. Essentially, a cartridge is a pre-packaged unit that can be easily inserted into a device and used immediately. This saves time and effort, as the user does not need to manually load individual components into the device.